Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and recently I got this book called Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, and we absolutely love reading it at bedtime. It rhymes, it teaches kids their alphabet, and it is about these letters traveling up a coconut tree, and they fall down. A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. But when all the letters of the alphabet race up the tree, oh no, chicka chicka boom boom. So it's really cute. I love the colorful pictures that are in here. You have this really green and black coconut tree, and all the letters are different colors. And then of course the polka dotted outline here on the pages. So if you're looking for a book that will help your kid know their letters, and it's fun, it's colorful, it rhymes, it can help them with beginning to read, then this is perfect. I would say this is great for around kindergarten age. The older kids will probably think it's a little too kiddie, but for the younger kids, they get a kick out of this. That is just my point of view.